Okay, now second problem over dy is prove that integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax minus e raised to minus bx upon x dx equals to log of b by a. So take that integral as I and then differentiate with respect to a. Differentiate with respect to a by dys. So di upon dA equals to 0 to infinity. Dys means if you write down the derivative inside the integral, then d becomes dava. That means ordinary derivative becomes partial derivative. Now again observe that term of a is which one? So this is the term of a. So we have to take derivative of this term. This term is free from a. That means it is constant. This one is also constant. But what is the relation of this term and term of a? Subtraction. Therefore, this becomes 0. What is the relation of term of a and this term? Division. So, this constant in division remains as it is. So, 0 to infinity. What is the derivative of e raised to minus ax with respect to a? E raised to minus ax into minus x. This term becomes 0 because of there is no a upon x dx. This x and this x get cancelled. Minus sign you can write down outside the integral e raised to minus ax dx. Now evaluate this integral with respect to x. So minus, what is the integration of exponential? So e raised to minus ax upon minus a. From x equals to 0 to infinity. This minus and this minus get cancelled. E raised to minus a into infinity. E raised to minus a into 0. Upper limit minus lower limit upon a. Minus a into infinity is e raised to minus infinity. Minus a into 0 is e raised to 0 upon a. But value of e raised to minus infinity is 0. So 0 minus 1 upon a. So what we get? Di upon dA equals to minus 1 upon a. So di equals to minus 1 upon a dA. Then integrate that both sides. So integration of 1 di minus integration of 1 by a dA, you can write down minus sign outside, plus integration constant c. Integration of 1 di is I, 1 upon a is log a plus c. Now choose that particular value of c. Choose c equals to log b because of we want log of b upon a. So if you choose c equals to log b, what is c? C is arbitrary constant, you can choose any one value. So plus log b minus log a is log of b by a. This is the required answer. Now third problem in dys. So in previous session we have already seen this basic partial differentiation with respect to a, some basic integrals with respect to x, basic integral with respect to a. Then this 11th standard part of derivative, function plus constant, then derivative of function plus 0. Now we will see this problem. So start from integral side. So I equals to that integral e raised to minus ax, x into sec x dx. What is the first step? Differentiate with respect to a by duis. So di upon dA equals to 0 to infinity dava by dava a e raised to minus x e raised to minus ax x into sec x dx. Now observe what is where the term of a. So this is term of a. What is the relation with this term? Subtraction. So this term becomes 0. What is the relation of term of a and this term? Division. So we have to keep this term as it is. So what is the answer then? This term becomes 0 e raised to minus ax into minus x, derivative of e raised to minus ax, upon x into sec x dx. So this x and x get cancelled, this minus into minus becomes plus. If you write down sec x in numerator, then it is cos x. If you shift sec x in numerator, then that sec x becomes cos x. Then you can use this formula of integral 0 to infinity e raised to mx cos nx dx is minus m upon m square plus n square. So for this particular case, m is minus a, n is 1. nx equals to x, therefore n is 1, mx equals to minus ax, x get cancelled, so m equals to minus a. So therefore this integral is minus of minus a upon minus a square plus 1. So this is a upon a square plus 1. Now you can evaluate that integral. So di equals to a upon a square plus 1 dA. Integrate. So integration of 1 di equals to integration of a upon a square plus 1 dA plus c. Integration of 1 di is I. What is the integral of this? 1 by 2 log of a square plus 1. 1 by 2 log of a square plus 1 plus c. Now we have to choose particular value of c. Choose value of c. We want here a square plus 1 upon 2. That means c equals to minus log 2 upon 2. So I equals to 1 by 2 log of a square plus 1 minus log 2 upon 2. If you take this 2 common, so 1 by 2 log of a square plus 1 minus log 2, that is a square plus 1 upon 2. This is the required answer. Thank you.